As we said earlier, the project is financed with both debt and equity. $200 million of debt financing, and the rest is equity. As we said in our introduction video, the company has managed to secure bank financing, and we can be confident when modeling under the following terms. The debt facility will be amortized in 10 years according to the following pre-agreed repayment plan. In years 0 and 1, the company doesn't pay for debt reimbursement, which would be a significant boost for its initial cash flow. Then, starting from year 2 onwards, the company repays the loan according to the plan. We can easily model the repayment by multiplying $200 million and the respective percentage extinguished in a year. Therefore, multiplying the amortization percentage for every year by the initial debt the company has drawn would give us the amount of debt to be repaid in a year. In the first year, the company wouldn't have to repay anything. In the second year, it must repay $10 million. In the third year, $20 million, and so on. Below, we can see the amount of debt outstanding at the end of the year. We use it to calculate the interest expenses owed by the company. I'm sure you'll agree it is easily calculated because beginning debt minus repayment gives us outstanding debt. The amount of beginning debt for a year allows us to calculate interest expenses. We'll simply multiply beginning debt by the agreed 5% fixed interest rate. And this gives us interest expenses for a year. As it should be, interest expenses decrease gradually over time because debt is repaid. Please pay attention that we need the if function because, as we said in our intro lesson, the bank agreed to forego interest expenses during the construction stage. So that's good. An additional layer of complexity is the covenant that needs to be monitored. It represents a financial penalty imposed by the bank when production falls below a certain level. A couple of if statements allow us to model whether a covenant is due for a year and how much must be paid by the company. Okay, perfect. This is how we model debt. To calculate equity, we must calculate the firm's net cash flows, because if cash flows become negative at a certain point in time, the company must increase its equity investment. This will do for now. Thanks for watching.